Hey guys, Matt Reiner here. Hope you're doing well. On our podcast, Bridging the Gap, we do a segment called Buy or Sell. And one of the recent guests had a buy or sell that was asking if a financial advisory firm could be successful at running a digital marketing strategy internally. In my opinion, I think that is a buy. A financial advisory firm could be successful running their own digital strategy inside their office and not outsourcing it. The challenge isn't whether it's run inside or you have an agency run it. It's a matter of identifying who your true customer is, what is your why as a business, and what's your core competency. You have to understand who are your clients and who are your prospects. I think every financial advisor out there listening to this is saying, well, I know who my clients are, but do you truly know what they love to do, how they like to consume their information, and how they're interacting with information and people throughout the day? And how are you selling yourself as a firm? Is it that you are a better investor, you know how to choose better stocks or bonds than other people? Or is it that you're trying to help people get fulfillment in their lives? I'll tell you right now, the idea of being a better investor or trader relative to other financial advisors, or having a better quote unquote strategy than other advisors, may not hit home with the emotional side of a human that is needed to get them to actually take action of going in and coming in and meeting with you as a firm. And so the final step to this buy really comes down to, yes, you can run a digital marketing strategy internally and be successful at it if you truly know how to speak to your clients, what makes them act to come in for a meeting, but also what is the best use of your time. Everybody has a cost per hour if you break it down, even if you charge on an AUM fee, is using that because it takes a ton of time. Is your time better used building and creating the digital strategy and executing on it and identifying what is working, because it's an iterative process to understand what is working, what is driving the best results, what's driving the most qualified prospects? Or is your time better used meeting with clients, meeting with prospects, handling financial situations, holistic financial planning? And so that's where it comes from. Yes, a firm can do it internally, and many are doing it right now. But for your firm, having a marketing strategy can be utilized on an external basis, but it's only good if you have them and you force them to help you, if you don't have it already, to identify who your ideal prospect is and client is and dig deep into that so you can market to it. Be sure to always set an ROI to what it is, and it doesn't have to be a numerical value. What are you trying to accomplish with the digital marketing strategy? Otherwise, it doesn't matter if it's internal or external, it's likely not going to be successful in your eyes. Hope you all have a great rest of the day. Be sure to tune in, Bridging the Gap, and I'd love to hear your comments. Do you have a digital marketing strategy? Are you doing it internally, externally? What's the success of it? Let's start a conversation. Talk to you soon.